I'll never forget the week I woke up, checked my phone, and saw that I had made over $10,000 without even leaving my bed. No meetings, no clocking in, no deadlines. It felt surreal, but it didn't happen overnight. What led to that explosive week of passive income was months of smart setup, experimentation, and most importantly, consistency. In this video, I'm breaking down the exact 7 passive income ideas that made it happen, how each works, and how you can replicate them step by step. Let's start from the beginning. Digital products. My first $3,000 in 1 week. It all started with a digital download. A year before I hit that $10K mark, I had created a simple Notion productivity template that I used for managing my content calendar. It worked so well for me that I thought, why not share this with others? I put it on Gumroad, slapped a $10 price tag, and forgot about it. Fast forward to a viral TikTok video where someone unknowingly showcased a similar layout and people were searching for such templates. I shared mine in a comment thread and woke up the next day to hundreds of sales. Lesson learned. Digital products can be a goldmine. Templates, ebooks, guides, printables, workout routines. If you've solved a problem in your life with a custom solution, odds are others want it too. The best part is, once it's created, there's no extra cost to sell it 10 or 10,000 times. Action step. Choose a niche you know, create a helpful template or guide, and upload it on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy for printables, or Payhip. YouTube automation, $2,100 in ad revenue. You've probably heard of faceless YouTube channels. That's what I started during the pandemic. A channel about top 10 luxury gadgets, with stock footage and voiceover done by AI at first. Initially, I struggled, but once a video hit 100K views, the algorithm did its magic. With just 10 monetized videos up, I made $2,100 in 1 week thanks to YouTube AdSense. This is a true form of passive income. Old videos continue to bring in money months or even years later. The trick? Target searchable, evergreen content and use automation tools like Pictory or InVideo. Hire a freelancer for voiceover editing and batch create. Action step, pick a niche tech, luxury, facts, travel, create 10 evergreen videos, and focus on high CPM topics to earn more per 1,000 views. Affiliate marketing, $2,500 in commissions. Affiliate income is hands down one of my favorite passive streams. I promote tools I genuinely use, like web hosting platforms, budgeting apps, and productivity software. Whenever someone signs up through my unique link, I get a commission. One blog post I wrote 6 months ago comparing best budgeting apps brought in $2,500 in 1 week thanks to a sudden surge in Google rankings. The real magic happens when you combine content with affiliate links, YouTube, blog posts, or even social media posts that rank over time and keep bringing people in. Action step. Sign up for affiliate programs via Amazon Associates, Impact, or ShareASale. Create helpful comparison content or tutorials and embed your links. Online courses, $1,200 with just 1 email. I created a simple mini course on how to start a side hustle. It was 60 minutes long, divided into bite-sized lessons. I hosted it on Teachable, priced it at $49, and launched it to my small email list of 400 people. Guess what? 25 people bought it in 1 week. That's $1,200, all from one course. Built once, sold forever. The beauty of courses is they can teach anything: photography, Excel, dog training, even how to bake sourdough, and platforms like Teachable, Padudia, and Gumroad make it easier than ever to get started. Action step, identify a skill your friends often ask you about. Break it down into a 5-lesson course and launch it via email or social. Stock photography, $800 from old vacation pics. This one surprised me the most. I had a bunch of travel photos sitting on my hard drive, shots from Bali, Switzerland, and local hikes. One day, I uploaded 300 of them to Shutterstock and Adobe Stock. Months later, I started getting monthly payouts. Then, 1 week, a travel company used 3 of my best pictures in a campaign, and I earned $800 in royalties. If you've ever taken high-quality photos or even phone shots that look good, don't let them rot. Turn them into passive income assets. Action step, curate your top 50 100 photos, edit lightly for clarity, and upload to stock platforms like Shutterstock, iStock, or Adobe Stock. Print on demand, $1,000 from trending designs. Have you seen t-shirts that say "But First, Coffee" or "Introvert Energy"? Those are print-on-demand designs that anyone can make. I created a few minimalist quotes on Canva, uploaded them to Redbubble and TeePublic, and waited. One of my shirt designs, a sarcastic quote that went viral on Reddit, earned me over $1,000 in 1 week. Print on demand is great because you don't hold any inventory. Platforms handle shipping, printing, and customer service. You just upload your design. Action step: use Canva or Photoshop to create niche-specific quotes, jokes, or aesthetic art. Upload them to Redbubble, Zazzle, or TeePublic. Focus on trends and holidays. High-yield investments: $1,500 in dividends. Okay, this one's a little different because it requires capital. I've invested in dividend-paying ETFs and blue-chip stocks. These pay out quarterly or monthly dividends, and during that week I received $1,500 from accumulated dividends. It's the most hands-off income on this list, but it works best when you reinvest dividends over time and let the power of compounding take over. Most people misunderstand passive income. They think it's magic money for doing nothing. The truth is, it's upfront effort, creative thinking, and patience. But once the flywheel starts spinning, life changes. You stop trading time for money, you start buying back your time. That's real freedom. So whether you're a student, a full-time employee, or a stay-at-home parent, you can start today. Pick one method above and go all in for 90 days. You'll be amazed how much momentum you build. So that's it for today. If you like this video, then please hit the like and subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching.